Passing two arguments to a command using pipes. Usually, we only need to pass one argument. Is there a way to pass two arguments? Something like, I could just store both results in a file first. But then I might accidentally overwrite a file, which is not okay. This is going into a non-interactive script. Basically, I need a way to pass the results of two arbitrary commands to cat without writing to a file. Update. Sorry, the example masks the problem. While echo ABC, echo XYZ cat does seem to work, the output is due to the echoes, not the cat. A better example would be, cutf2d, file 1, cutf1d, file 2. Paste d, which does not work as expected. With expected output is resolved? Use process substitution, cat and lt, command 1, and lt, command 2. Alternatively, make named pipes using FIFO. Less elegant and more verbose, but works fine, as long as you make sure temp1 and temp2 don't exist beforehand.
I think you want process substitution this URL. It also works on ZSH, though it has more options and the syntax may be different. It creates a sudo file, /dev/fd/something, for each substitution. It's pretty useful. The command can only read as a stream, meaning it cannot go back and forth with fseek. It needs to read it as a stream of bytes, like a pipe. Your examples work as process substitution. Think of it as a tool to use a process and have it pretend to be a file without any temp files. From my earlier answer,
I like zargs as an example. I want to find the size of all the MySQL data dir/user/local. Zargs.
The curly braces thingy actually worked because the pipe operator will connect the standard outputs of the grouped commands into the standard input of the third. You can tell the printout is not from the echoes by running any command that does not use standard input. For example, echo 1, echo 2, echo 3, will print 3 as opposed to 1\n2\n3. However, this is not the thing you wanted because the two commands in the curly braces are writing to the same output, which is like catting their results. To generate two different results to use as the two arguments for commands like paste, you will have to use a temporary file or a named pipe. You can use mtemp to generate a unique temporary file or mfifo to create a FIFO pipe file.
I found an amazing generalized way to parallelize input streams and use stream fusion. This can be expanded as far as there are stream and file descriptors available. The slashes at the end are just to escape the line break to extend a single line over multiple lines to make it easier on the eyes. It works like this. The commands are put inside process substitution and LT, so they appear as files, using implicit FIFOs. Those files are sent to the command using new streams, N and LT, where N is the number of the stream. Now here, I use the while loop as the command, which loops, as long as all, and amp semicolon and amp, of the read commands haven't reached EOF and bailed yet. Those reads are told to not do any special processing of escapes, not cut off anything, ifs equals, read one line from a specific stream, and put it in a specific variable, for example 3. Finally, the actual command, an echo in this case, can do its job with multiple streams, by using those multiple variables however it likes. I feel like some steps could possibly be skipped, so if anyone knows how without reducing any of the flexibility and power of this example, you're welcome to edit this answer or comment below.
Obrigado por sair dessa série.